Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I featured the Nubian Glow Palette by Juviasplace. This one comes with a shade of oranges, about 6 shades in there with some gold shimmers. Get yourself a really good primer to get these matte shades on. As you can see, I got the little gold glow going, got the nude lip. So stay tuned, keep watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave any comments down below and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy! I decided to use one of my lighter shades to just do a little glow look around the eyeliner. So that's what I'm applying right now, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. It was really hard getting that orange on my lid, so I did kind of combine another Juviasplace orange shade, but I really feel like this came out really good. And I really perfected this nude lip. Like, I'm actually really impressed with this one this week. Let me know your thoughts. Leave any comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all next week for my Wahala 2 review. Bye.